And he drives this one down the right field line. It's going to leave the yard again.
Drives it to left field, and that ball is out of here, a grand slam. Paul Goldschmidt, that's 31, and it's 5-0 D-backs.
First pitch to him, and Craig hits a high fly ball. Opposite way, trip, wall, grand slam, Alan Craig.
Now the 0-1, and the curveball hit in the air, right field deep. Back goes Bruce to the warning track near the wall. It's out of here! Ike Davis wins it with a pinch hit grand slam in the bottom of the ninth. And the Mets win it 6-3.
It'd be a great time for his first career grand slam. Deep to left. Duvall back on it, and there it goes! Starling Marte hits a grand slam to left. And the Pirates have come all the way back. They lead it 6-5.
In the air to center, Hamilton going back at the wall. Gone! A grand slam, Javier Baez. 7-2.
Does that work for you?